Well, good morning, everybody. So, been working in my garden, planting our vegetables for this year. Cohen and I have been trying to get things in the ground, and Papa too. And, oh, by the way, I'm Teresa, Highland Blueberry Farm in Stockton Springs, Maine. But, here, I got out here in the garden, got everything planted, and came out yesterday, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna sit here in my little chair on my bench, and I'm gonna just enjoy my garden. And what did we notice, Cohen?
We noticed that plants have been eaten.
They have been eaten
By the whistle pig.
the whistle pig. In case you don't know what a whistle pig is, some of you might, if you're from West Virginia. Whistle pigs are groundhogs. And this groundhog came and made hay in my garden. Let me show you. Here we have my broccoli. Not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. They started munching all the broccoli. They munched on the cauliflower. Killed that one. They even hit the kale. But their favorite is over here. Let me show you. Let me show you their favorite. Their favorite? Well, they like lettuce, but that's not their favorite. Oh, no. No. Their favorite was right here. What's their favorite, Cohen?
Swiss chard.
Swiss chard. Gone. 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 Oh, and they say that basil kind of deters them. Let me just show you. Didn't deter that one. This basil didn't keep them away. Look at that. Look, they didn't even bother eating that one. They just threw it down on the ground. They even came and munched on my purple basil. Look at that. Purple basil. Cohen? So, what do we do when there's whistle pigs? What do we do when there's whistle pigs in the garden? Munching away?
We shoot them with our guns.
Well, you can, but that's not what we did. Oh no, what I did, was I enlisted all the men in my family, and I had them pee all around my garden. They didn't visit last night. So, if you have any good advice on how to keep the whistle pigs out of your garden, because, hey, listen, I have 100 acres. Can we share? Can we share the space? I'll let you eat everything around me. Look at this. It's not like they don't have other things to eat. Just don't eat my garden. Just stay out of my garden. And until I can figure out how to get rid of these whistle pigs, the men in my family, they're going to be peeing around the perimeter. Anyways, I'll let you know how that works. I'll talk to you later.
How do
Bye.
we pee?